Ooh, 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 ooh. Not again, not again, not again. Yo, what's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? How's everybody doing? Yo, what's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Can y'all hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yo, what's good? Why am I so grainy? Oh, sorry, 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 sorry. Oh, let me see if I can fix this right now. It should be better now. It should be better now. You thought that you was better now, better now. Loki, as you can hear in my voice, I don't be up like this, bro. I overly be like I be in the bed right now looking at the charts. Y'all got me in the desk looking at the charts. But it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. We're gonna vibe today. We're gonna vibe. Like I be up, but I don't be like, like looking at the charts. Always give the chart some time, man. Like you overly got to give the chart some time, especially as a swing trader. Like the first couple of minutes in the day, like you can't take it too seriously because price does whatever it wants. Is ICC enough? Yeah, ICC is enough. I'm sick. Wait, what happened? 300K on 300K on gold. Can you do a video about margins? Your margins always depend on one, your broker, and then two on what margin or what leverage are you using? Because the contracts can always be different. Some brokers have higher contract sizes, and then some have smaller. So you might see somebody that puts on like a lot. So I haven't seen this in a while though. Like I haven't seen anyone trade like a 10 lot and it be acting as a 0.1. So it just depends on what your broker. Don't I think I'll rush my trade? No, I don't think I rushed my trade at all. I feel like I entered the trade. We buying or what? We buying or what? No, I feel like I've entered my trade on the right time. Do you think ICC can be used to trade stock options while working a 9 to 5? Any suggestions to make this work? Does this say Chantel? Ooh, I got that right first time. Chantel. Um, Me personally, I feel like when it comes to stock options, I feel like stock options is more of a gamble nowadays. I feel like it's way more of a gamble than trading like futures or trading like CFDs or something. It's damn near like all right, so don't get me wrong, stock options can make money. Don't get me wrong. It can definitely make a lot of money. Actually, I think it can make more money than somebody forex trading. But the thing is, when it comes to stock options, you have like days like now where price is not really going to move as much, but you know it's going to move. So let's say if you think it's going to go up or down. Let's say you think it's going to go down, right? You typically don't know when it's going to go down, but you do know it's going to go down. So it's better to like get for like a futures contract or like a CFD or something like just regular forex, place the sell and hold it throughout. And then it's like you got stock options where you kind of have like, okay, I think it's gonna get to this point before Wednesday. You know what I'm saying? Like stock options just hold longer. Cause then you got the Greeks that always kills the options. It starts decaying. Yeah, he said the same thing. The contracts delay. I mean decay, sorry. And then you're just losing money just because it's taking too long to get to where you're going. my trading journey has been so hard. Just lost my prop firm account this week. Any advice? I would say don't trade a prop firm until you feel like you really understand what you're doing first. Y'all should always practice first. Practice first. Like literally practice before you trade anything. So that way you're just not wasting money because y'all are gonna get into like a repeated cycle of just wasting money for no reason. And you don't want to just keep wasting money. Let me see. Oh snap, I'm pressing the wrong. Do I ever trade silver? I don't trade silver. You can swing trade it. Yeah, I'm not a signal caller. I don't call signals. My trades are not signals. How do you feel about 90% of the trading industry calling you fake? Hey man, it just is what it is. Fuck. I'm dead. Uh, does my broker need money? No, my broker doesn't need money. My broker has money. Do y'all not understand? Never mind. Let me not. Let me see. These people are cooked. What do I think about AI trading? I don't think about anything like AI trading. Anyways, uh, let's hop into to some to some charts, man. Hold on, let me pop this out right quick. Let's hop into some charts. Do I use a MacBook to trade? I really use my phone to be honest. Like I'm gonna be so serious. Like I use my phone a lot. Like I don't like. What about the fight? What about it? So is the broker? I'm dead. I don't really like my chart. I can show you my chart right now. All right. Show. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. What's been in the back of my head is definitely like the daily time frame being back above here. But the only problem is here is like we have no like high or low at all to kind of keep this stable. So I hope today or even tomorrow we get some type of higher low to keep us stable. That's all we need for another push because now we already got the break above. So we already got a break above this high, which is cool. We need that. That was where price had a huge amount of sellers. So this is good. So hopefully today or tomorrow we can get like a push or even here a higher low to be made. Price stays above this gray area and then continues to push higher later on. As long as we make that higher low, I think I'll be happy. But for right now, I'm not really like too much thinking about anything. I'm just like, okay, I'm just kind of going with the flow. It's pretty weird that the whole like Iran thing didn't pump the markets, but then at the same time, I guess it was just an oil thing. Like they was hitting the oil reserves that Iran had. So yeah, it made sense for oil to pump and dump crazy. Like it pumped up and then a lot of people were getting into buys, but $120 for oil, it just not it doesn't make sense. It just doesn't make sense in the economy at all. So now it's back at $87. CBTC. Oh, please don't spam that. If he spams that shit one more time. Did you learn I never went to prison? What the hell? What the fuck? Yo, wait. Somebody said, be honest. Did you learn Forex while in prison or after you came out of prison? Wait, who the fuck said I went to prison? What the fuck? Oh shit, you can hear my squeaky ass voice in the morning, bro. Who the fuck said I went to prison? Excuse my language, but what the hell? Anyways, um, bro, this is what I deal with like, who even made that, bro? I'm pretty sure it's somebody out there that probably made like a. I'm pretty sure it's somebody out there that made like a video like, oh, trades by side went to prison, and people just running with it, bro. People run with anything nowadays. I just feel like what? But no, I've never been to prison, bro. I'm a good guy. I'm a good guy. It's the tattoos, bro. Let me tell you something about these tattoos. I only regret one of my tattoos. I'm not gonna lie. I'm only regretting one of my tattoos, and that's my middle tattoo. Now, why did I get it? I don't know. I was 18. I was making fucking 100K a month. I was like, shit, I ain't never working a job. That's to be real, to be honest. And I used to look up to a lot of rappers. Like I used to look up to a lot of rappers and want to live the lifestyle that they live and everything. So I'm out of that mindset now because I make way more money than some rappers, most rappers. But it's just like at the same time, you've been to juvie, so I don't know about a good guy. I've been to juvie. I would say I am different from when I was 16, 15, 14, of course. I'm 22 now, so it's like I've had a lot of time to like, change my ways. But prison is way different from juvenile detention. Yeah, I used to watch X, Lil Uzi, all those, all the ones that you hear everybody call me. But I don't try to be like them. It was just really trying to figure out who I was as a person because remember I grew up not knowing where to fit in because I wasn't good at sports and music and playing the instruments or acting. I wasn't really good at that. And growing up, everybody was kind of good at something, or at least everybody made it seem like they was better than everybody. So it was like I grew up trying to fit in somewhere. And I couldn't even fit in with the kids that sit by the trash can talking about Pokemon cards. I couldn't even fit in with those guys. So really, it was just like I've been through a lot of phases in my life, and also as well, like I'm not really big on like the whole like zodiac signs and stuff, but I am a Gemini, so I have like a lot of mixed personalities. I feel like, which is why you would see like it works really well because as you can see, like I don't know if you guys follow my I don't know if you guys follow like my, I guess you can call it my lifestyle page or something like that. But you can definitely see like I have like different phases of my life and more of like there's moments where I can be on some chill shit, go to the museums, travel around the world, go international and stuff like that. And then there's moments where I'm just like the typical 22-year-old kid partying, having fun. And then you got the physical side of me, which I do sports now and I'm snowboarding and I'm boxing and I'm doing runs. Like actually after this, I'm supposed to be running. Uh yeah, after this, I'm gonna go for my run. And it's just all types of things where I can like kind of, mix it up. Two-Face? No, I'm not that type of Gemini. I'm not a two-face. I'm really chill, to be honest. I just be chilling. But I do have like, nah, gang, you're such a Gemini. I'm dead. I've tried the laser removal. But that shit hurt. Do I smoke weed? No, I don't smoke weed. Laser removal hurts like fuck. I'm not gonna lie. Why is me and KJ boxing? I don't know. Somebody tagged me in a comment. Somebody tagged me in a comment a long time ago, and I think he had posted like something around like he was like, "Oh, I'll beat any trader up in the industry, some shit like that. Let's do boxing matches." Cool. And mind you, I don't be online at all. Somebody tagged me, and then when I get tagged like 3 or 4 times, I'm definitely seeing it. So people kept tagging me, and I have a piercing on my cheek. Yeah, I have to take the piercing out because of my fighting. But yeah, somebody tagged me and they was like, "Oh, Trades by Side will beat you and this and that." So he was like, "I love fighting. Like I love boxing." So it's just like, I'm dead. Um, all right, let's see. 100K match. I'm gonna be so honest with you guys, bro. No promo on the fight. I don't really like promoting things at all. I really don't like promoting things. You guys will never see me online talking about like how do I even put it? Like you won't see me like market it too much. Like cuz I've definitely posted it on my story like, "Yo, the fight." But I don't really care about the promotion. Like you won't ever see me spam a bunch of shit in your face like, "Yo, click this, go sign up, or buy tickets, buy kit." Like you won't see me do that. Let's see. What about US30 right now? Is my she's not my girlfriend, she's my friend. Is my friend still in the hospital? No, she's not in the hospital anymore. Yeah, I do believe in Jesus. Good over good. There's nothing going on, so I'm just talking to you guys right now. There's nothing going on the charts. Bro, yes. Matter of fact, yo, this is so funny. I'm a bro, this shit is so funny, bro. Cause somebody was talking about this the other day. I remember these. Bro, this dude thinks he's like has me, but I want to tell you something. When I was 18, I got scammed because I thought this shit was real as fuck by the Indians that be in the mall, bro. I dead ass thought it was real. I didn't know. Like, mind you, I grew up. My foster mom didn't give us like internet and like we didn't like there was like no outside like outside or I can't fucking talk. I had no like outsourced to the world at all. So when I became 18, yeah, when I was 18, that's when I started seeing the world and I was making money. Bro, I kid you not, bro. Chat, bro. Worst decision in my life. But the crazy thing is, bro, I never went around like, "Oh, my chains, my chains." How's my name mentioned? I'm dead. I don't know. People always talk about me. But the crazy thing is, bro, once I like realized, I was like, damn, like once I got wiser, I think I turned like 19 and I started figuring like still to this day, I think I'm still figuring out shit. Like still to this day, I'm figuring out a lot of bro, the mall shit, bro. I kid you not. It was like $700 for those chains just to find out they paid like $10. But that's business in general. So I was like, damn, they really got me. My man's wearing a Papa John's hat. Wait, what? No. That's a fucking what you call. But he thought I got him offline, but no, I got him in the mall. It's so funny to like see some of these people on Twitter, to be honest. They just be yapping for real. I'm like, bro, what? I want to see I want to see. Yo, whoever made this is fire as shit. Oh, I seen this yesterday. This is so sad, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I seen this shit yesterday, and that shit's been popping up on my timeline. Oh, XAUUSD. Not gonna lie. How did I get my first entry? What's my friend's name? I can't release that information. Is gold gonna correct? Possibly. It would be good if it did and gave us a lower high. It would be really good if it did. I mean, not a lower high. Whoa, 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 whoa. Not a lower high, a higher low. Sorry. This is a white guy that made a video of him, and he's like, he has like 68. He's not even worth looking at. I mean, 9 times out of 10, if somebody's making a video of me, like there's like no real substance to it. What should we trade as beginners? I feel like you should trade either like gold. Trade what's booming right now. I feel like even in stocks, when I used to trade stocks, it was like always follow what's booming. And like before it booms off too as well. So like if it's starting to stir up a little bit, you start trading those things because you'll get a lot more price action out of that. And it's like a lot of reps. Like you want to see as much price action as possible. Even if you're not trading it, you just want something that has a lot of price action. Like you just always want something that has a lot of price action. Entry breakdown. So with this entry, it was a couple of days ago, so it looked completely different than it did now. But the first trade we had, boom, it was here. All right, so with this entry, let's go back here. With this entry, it was just simply price coming back above this level. So back above here, back above the highs. If I'm not mistaken, I could just show you. What the? All right. Yeah, so back above here, price ended up giving us this indication. Even yesterday was giving an entry for you yesterday as well, but this is on the 1 hour, and you know I've been using the 4 hour more, but this 1 hour time frame is where we bought back above price or bought price again. And this first move up, honestly, I thought price was just gonna go with the flow. Like I thought price was gonna make a higher low. It broke structure, cool. But then when I zoomed out to the 4 hour time frame, I was like, it's not all that bad. Because I was in drawdown for a bit. Now, was I stressed about it? No. Monday, I was just kind of chilling. Actually, I think this drawdown happened. What day was that? Sunday. It was Sunday. Sunday, I was chilling. When price fell, I was chilling because I was over here looking at the daily. I was just like, it really doesn't make sense if price just starts to drop from here. It didn't make sense at the time. And I was just like, let me continue to hold through and see what happens. And that 4 hour ended up picking back up and then later on consolidating and then picking back up. But that entry came from price breaking above here. Now, somebody did mention earlier, did I get into early or do I feel like I got into early? Yes, you might be right, because this definitely could have just been looked at as an indication. I was buying at a higher high. I should have been buying off of a higher low, which price hasn't made a higher low yet. So let's say if price, so this is like an entry. So take notes or write this down. If you want an entry for buys, I would suggest you wait for price to make some type of higher low and buy off the higher low. Now, with this, you don't have to really wait for an indication or correction and all that once you get that higher low, because price is already giving you a new high anyways. I just did the same shit. Yeah. I just started learning ICC. What to do if the New York session opens and it's doing an indication? You don't do anything. If it's making an indication, you don't do anything. You just take note that it's doing an indication. Can I join to explain ICC on the 15-minute? I don't know about that one. You a fan of DBZ? Is that Dragon Ball Z? Or am I like, Yo, shout out the Husky. Yeah, they need the OD. Literally got ICC down pack. I don't wait for nowadays I don't wait for the sessions anymore. I just kind of like I kind of enter whenever I need to, whenever I feel like it's right to enter, and then I just let New York take its course. What's happening to the chat? I don't know, bro. I'm gonna just look away. Somebody said BTC. Honestly, BTC looks like it's picking back up because here we had this selling level. So from here we had sellers kick into the market, end up making a higher low. Price ended up pushing up again, making an equal high, another higher low. As you can see, higher low, higher low, higher low. Price ended up making a new high. Price ended up liquidating this level here, which is cool. And then price came back above this level. So I do think BTC might pick back up. Now, do I agree with it? Fuck no. But am I going to fight with price action? Hell no. But right now, it just looks like BTC is picking up that bullish structure. So maybe investors are coming back into BTC at this level, especially with everything that's going on. There's talks about people talking about there's going to be digital currency after the war and shit like this. But I'm like, bro, I don't think it's that deep. It's deep, but it's not that deep. Bro, I'm telling you, if you trade silver, like you trade gold, you'll make more money. I'm telling you, if oh, he spammed the same thing again. US 30. Lectures on take profit. I just take profit. Chat hurts my head. No facts. What is CBDC? Huh? Huh? What is CBDC? Euro USD. But if I look at, didn't we look at this last time? And I was like, yeah, don't trade this shit. Why not trade silver? I just don't trade silver. There's no reason why, like, I don't. It's just like I just like gold. I just really like trading gold. Wait. The daily time frame looks good because we have lower high, then the breaks comes above that level, and now the daily is oops, it won't let me let go. Now the daily is above this level that it broke above the first time. So this indication price corrected, and now we have a pickup again. So this on the daily time frame looks good. This is probably a good setup. You see how long that took me to like mark up that chart? Like you just hit it with everything in like that quick instance, and there the play is there. Now I just feel like you would just need a higher low, like that higher low to stabilize like this, because it bounced off of this. Look, it went off of this, pushed off of this, but there's no higher low to support the fact that it doesn't want to go lower. So because this shows that it doesn't want to go lower, and then you need another supporting fact to be like, okay, now it's really not going lower, and then that volume pushes. Because this volume is to push to make that indication, or to make that first push to make the high, to break structure to make the high. But then you need a correction and then back up. But from the looks of it, Hey, we'll see. Maybe I trade this. Maybe I trade this. US oil. I'm not trading oil. Oil's already on here, and oil's not looking good to trade anyways right now. I'm just still waking up for real, for real. Sorry. Come to Jamaica. Can you explain on the downside? What do you mean by that? No, I haven't fought yet. US 30, US 30, US 30 is not doing anything. The only thing we have here is what I said last week with price coming here. Matter of fact, yeah, I did say this last week. Price coming here. Matter of fact, let's pull up the video. Let me see here. Let me see. It's so crazy to see, like, looking back at the chart. All right, so the last video that we did streamed 3 days ago was looking at US 30, because US 30 was looking hella good. But right now, that shit is not doing anything at all. Sorry, chat, one second. I guess I can't find it. Do you think silver pays more? I'm not sure. I've never traded silver a day in my life. How do you know it's not booming when it's not BTC or gold? What do you mean by that? I understand it now. Do I trade Fibonacci's? No. Come to Detroit. I can make a stop. We're still trying to figure out. We're still trying to figure out the full itinerary because we might do like some mini stops on the way, but we just have to wait and see. Like I have to talk to my two assistants today about the rest of the tour and booking the flights and stuff for the tour and stuff. So I'll keep you updated. Maybe we might do like a aftermath tour or something. What do you think about TJR and ICT? I don't think about it at all. I don't think about it at all. I don't know. I mean, just two traders. I don't know. I don't really look at too many traders like that. Like I like watching the vlogs and stuff. Like whenever they make vlogs, whenever people make vlogs, I'll be watching. Like, oh, that's cool. Why is my? But I don't really be on social media or like online like that. Like I don't be chronically online to even take in that information of what people be doing. I just don't. I don't really care either. You know what I really be watching for real, for real? I've been watching too many vlogs. This got my shit all fucked up. Wait, what we watching today, chat? What are we watching today? Am I flying private or Delta? Probably Delta and United. I don't, me personally, don't get me wrong. The flex is definitely there if you're flying private. Don't get me wrong, but I just don't understand it. Right now, I don't understand it. Until I get like hella famous and need privacy and stuff, I don't understand it right now. 50K, 100K, and I travel, let's say, wait, definitely an air sign. Y'all just be yapping. But yeah, 50K, 100K, 200K, and let's say I travel, because I travel probably 7 to 8 times. So I'm spending like a million every single month on flights, and that's like getting to there. So that's like 2 million there and back. I'm not spending 2 million every single month on trying to. I don't know. I just don't see any benefits. But I've been racking up my Delta points for the longest, so I'm damn near top tier on Delta. So basically what I like to do, because I'm an actual traveler, and until I need privacy, I won't go private until I need it. Like, let's say if we get to 1 million followers and I can't step outside without, but it's not even like that. That's not even how it is. Like, you would think that everywhere I go, there's somebody that sees me or notices me, but that's never the case. But for the time being, like, I just rack up Delta and United points, and you rack up so much whenever I travel, I can book like a economy seat, and I get upgraded to first class, and I get upgraded to business class just automatically because I already spent so much money using the flights. And it's like you get free bags, free everything, lounges and all that. So it's like, I don't know, that's how I look at it. How do you know what ticket is booming when gold isn't moving? Oh, that's what you meant by that. I feel like just trade whatever has the most volatility. Like, what are people investing into at the end of the day? Like, it's gonna be the BTC, it's gonna be stocks, it's gonna be gold, silver, it's gonna be oil. There's always gonna be people investing into those type of things. So always keep those on your watch list, because those are gonna be the things that everybody's investing into. Come to Seattle. Y'all telling me to come places, like, y'all are saying this, but it's like I can't just, like, well, I can, but I'm not just gonna get up and like go to Seattle for no reason. Charging people to learn his strategy. See everybody comment but mine. I'm dead. I don't even see your comment at all. I was wondering because I wanted to work your flight. I'm your flight attendant for Delta. Yo, give me the no. You said you work for Delta. Yo, give me a discount, twin. No, you know who I really need? Yo, I really need a fucking person that works at Marriott or the Hilton. Yo, hit me ASAP. I'll pay you whatever. Yo, I really need somebody that works at Marriott or Hilton. That's what I really need. Yo, I really need that. Which laptop am I using? This is I'm using my PC right now. You can't see my PC, but my laptop right here. This is a MacBook Pro. If I'm not mistaken, it's a MacBook Pro. Can I hold a trade for a few days with $1,000? Yeah, you can. You can hold a trade with $1,000. Yeah. United for Houston. Excited for Houston. I think that's what you meant to say. My boy, Mama, Grand GM at Hilton. I needs that. I needs that. I needs that. Do I like cars? I'm not really a car guy, to be honest. But I mean, it's cool. That's cool. It's not crazy to me. I'm more of a traveling guy. Like I just like traveling. So it's like sometimes I don't really need a vehicle. Cars is not really my like. Oh, go crazy. Why is your why is your concepts and strategies better than others? I just trade price action and market structure. There's nothing. I hate when people say. I hate when people say like, oh, ICC doesn't work because I'm not like ICC's ice like a good way to explain it. Indication, correction, continuation. But it's like all I'm telling you is higher high, higher low, higher high again, which is price action. But it's in simple form ICC. So it's like whenever you're trying to learn this, like don't think about it as a strategy. Think about it as like what is price doing? This is price action in general. Okay, higher high, higher high again. Or lower low, lower low again. Which is why it works perfectly. It works with anything to be honest, but on the higher time frame, it's very efficient because the higher time frame isn't just breaking random levels for no reason. So you will never really like when people say they see fake outs or they want me to explain how not to get faked out. I really don't experience too much of that. And if it's like where something like I get into a trade on a let's say price just made a new low and I get into the sale, I'm doing it wrong. Whenever you're taking a buy trade, you're trading on the higher low. And then whenever you're trading the sell trade, you're trading it on a lower high. You're never supposed to take a sell on a lower low, and you're never supposed to take a buy on a higher high. Write that down. 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 I'm I'm so funny. Setting alerts and how to enter. You want to know how to set alerts? I mean, I can tell you right now. So write that down. Write that down. I've been charging this for a very long time. Is this good? All right. So look, to set an alert, you see my finger right here. You see these two fingers. This is my pointer finger. This is my right click finger. All you gotta do, right click, come down here, press add, and press create. And now you have set an alert. That's it. My chart settings. All right, so what I like to do is green and red. I'm pretty sure this is all right, so what I like to do is green and red. So green, red, you can pick, here's the green color, A2, 8, C, 0, C. And then here's red. This is my red. This is on default, or this really, I normally have this on integers, but since I'm trading gold, I have it on default. New York, because I'm on EST. Come here. I normally turn this off. I just turn all these off, to be honest, because like I don't like all the little things up there. So I turn all this off. Ticker only. Titles just for the sessions. So whenever I'm teaching, I just kind of have this on for you guys. Then scales, I have all this right here. Normal, 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 normal. I have most of all this shit hidden because I don't like looking at all that. I have date format like this. 12 hours, not 24 because I don't read 24. Solid, white, no lines, crosshair, hidden, text on 20. Really, I could go back down because that's just a lot. I have this on 25, this on 20, this on 80. So that way when I'm looking at my charts, I reset and it just comes over here. That's all that is. Yo, this nigga just started spamming Detroit. Then we have, yeah, I really could go like way over here, to be honest. Why are our traders always sus about brokers? What do you mean by that? When you enter off the 15-minute, do you put the stop loss on the 15-minute too, or put it on the higher time frame? Please don't spam the question. I'm gonna see the question, just don't spam it. I say normally put your stop loss off the higher time frame because that's never gonna get like it's just way harder for the higher time frame to break structure compared to like the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute looks so good. Look at this. Ever since price broke above here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Failed to go higher, made that higher low, went higher, higher high, higher low. All this equaled up, and this is right before session. Looks good. This whole trend today looks good. The broker I use is legit. There's always like people online talking about that liquid is not regulated and all this other shit, but it's regulated in Australia, not America, which is really good for me. Cause guess what I just started? I ain't gonna lie, I definitely did just make a TradeStation account like 2 days ago. I do have TradeStation now, but I've like never traded futures before, so we're gonna see how this goes. But I definitely have TradeStation now. But I like trading overseas. Like it's way better to trade overseas. And people say that, oh, you can't trade overseas because you're an American, which is true. But I have a business inside of Amsterdam, so inside of the Netherlands, which is obviously Europe, not America. And I trade under that, so it makes me damn near a European citizen. Not a citizen, but I can trade under that. The same way you can trade under your LLC in America is the same way you can do it anywhere else. To give you different perks and thought I froze. To give you different perks and give you different features and stuff like that. I see a setup on BTC. What do you think about being Muslim? I know I'm good. TradeStation is just a brokerage. Please don't spam it though. Futures over Forex? I don't know about that one. Well, I don't trade Forex. I trade CFD, so it's different. Forex pairs is absolutely trash. I'm not gonna lie. That shit is absolutely terrible. I could never. Not everyone can have an LLC in Amsterdam. I didn't say you could. I was just saying people always ask me like how do I trade on MT5? And that's because of that. Like I trade on MT5 is not available for non-regulated brokers in the US. So if they're not regulated in the US, then you can't have MT5. Now, if you're outside of the US, you can have MT5. And people try to find like loops around it, but you can always, you know what you could do too though? You could get a residence card, or not a residence card. You can get like a digital residency. That helps too. Getting a digital residency. Hold on. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. I gotta hide my screen right quick. I'm gonna show you. I wanna say I still have my card. Oh yeah. You can get one of these too. Hold on. Hold on. Let me make sure. Okay, I think we're calm. All right, so I gotta hide this part. Hold up. All right, this part is the part I gotta hide. All right, so you can get one of these. Yeah, and that allows you to trade. That allows you to trade anywhere. To be honest. You said no sound. There's sound. There's definitely sound. But yeah, you can trade anywhere when you have one of those. I would just say open a business because it works better on your end, to be honest. But it's called a digital. Am I muted? No, I'm not muted. You're muted. I'm not muted. You're muted. What business you have in Amsterdam? I'm there. It's not like a physical store. Like I don't have a physical store. Why don't I give signals? Because I'm just not a signal caller. What do I spend my money on sending? What did I do? That's a sin. What did I do? What did I do? What's the what is the difference ID called? No, it's just a residence ID. So basically you don't, or you can get multiple passports, which is way harder, but you could do that too. All these things you shouldn't like, it shouldn't stress you out. Like if you really want to trade MT5, then I would say do it. But if you don't like really care about what you trade on, it doesn't really matter, to be honest. No, I wasn't finna play music, twin. I just don't want to be a signal caller. Like I already don't be online. Like I don't be online at all for real, for real. So it's like I don't want y'all guys counting on me to tell you guys when to get into a trade. I've tried it before. I've tried signals before. It just it's not fit for me. People are asking the same shit over and over. Facts. And plus, you know what's so crazy about signals too, as well as like I don't like being stressed out in my trades. Like I try to be transparent with my trades and show my trades before and after. But bro, people be stressing me out, bro. Imagine like, all right, let's say matter of fact, Friday I posted my Friday I had posted my gold buy entry. I just posted it at the end of session. And then Sunday when market failed, I just got a whole bunch of DMs talking about some, oh my God, you're losing. Oh, bro, you're losing. Oh, stop loss hit, stop loss. Bro, that shit is annoying, bro. Bro, that shit is annoying, bro. Like, damn, let me enjoy my trade in peace. I'm dead. Fuck. Wop, wop. People want to see me fall. Bro, no, it's actually so bad. And like, I'm not like gonna be sitting here and like, oh, well, I am mostly always right. But no, I'm not just gonna sit here and be like, I'm never wrong. But at the same time, people be telling me something. They be like, oh, I hope your trade fails because I know it's gonna sell. And I'm just looking at them like, what? That's why I just don't be online for real. Because all I get constantly, like, I can show you a little bit. Like, all I get all day is, it's either, hey, bro, can I get some money? Or trade update. That's all people ask. Update. TP. Update. That's all I get. I either get that or I get like it. So the DMs that I get is, can I get an update on gold? Can I get $10,000? What's your brokerage? Can you teach me how to trade? Let me join your team. Where you put your stop loss? Do you have a Telegram group? Give me $10. Give me $10. Give me 1K. You got YouTube? Telegram? Brother. And I mean, I don't want to be mean or anything. I'm not trying to be mean, but some people just don't even be looking. What is your brokerage? What is your brokerage? Yo, send me $10 so I can get a funded account. That's all I see. Explain this trend. Honestly, I really, like I said earlier, I really wish that price would make a higher low and then continue up before it pushes up, because this 4-hour time frame kind of looks crazy. We just have the candle, green candle, green candle, green candle, green, 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 green. And it's like we have no higher low to kind of base off that we're not going any lower, because this was our trade, or this was like the trend before. So it was going lower. Then it broke up to the upside. Cool. Broke back to the downside. But there's no like higher low to tell us that we're not going down anymore. There was just like this push off of here. This is our last push off, but we need something to tell us that, hey, this is confirmed that we're not going any lower than this, and then continue back up. Let me join ICC Mafia crew so I can train. What's the reason you didn't get out of gold buys? Because of the daily. Yeah, the daily time frame was still looking good. This still looks good. This actually just looks like price is building up to make a higher low and then continue higher. So I'm gonna see what that's talking about. If it starts making equal highs up here, then it's most likely going to set up for a lower high and then go down. But you're going to see that probably on like the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. So we're going to see how these next 2 days progress, or the rest of the week. I think we got 3 days left. See how everything progresses, and then from there we'll be able to determine. No, don't get me wrong. I see a lot of people that be like, oh, like, thank you for teaching me and stuff like that. I definitely reply to those. But 9 times out of 10, people just be like, yo, can I get some money? When's the next trade? Update. Bro, do you know how many times people ask me for an update on something? Yo, look at this, look at that, look at this, look at that, look at this. I trade gold, sir. I trade gold. I ain't trying to look at nothing but gold. I want to look at gold. What are we doing on gold? Because that's going to make me the bread and butter. What are we doing on there? Look at how oil's still dumping too, bro. Bro never replied to me. Can I show you my bank account? Nah, I'm good on that one, twin. I'm good on that one. Straight gambling. He had a trade on Friday with no stop loss. Honestly, I don't think I was gambling. I was only risking like 10%. And price is never just gonna shoot down tremendously. Like, it doesn't do that anymore. Like, I wasn't stressed. Like, even when price opened up, this wasn't like that big of a move, because if we're looking at it on the 4 hours, just like one candle. I don't know. I don't take everything as seriously as you guys. That little drop on Friday was like, okay, it's dropping, but like, it wasn't crazy like how everybody was making it seem out to be. Cause like, looking at the 4 hours, just like, this is crazy. This is a crazy drop. Like, if something like this was to happen, that's crazy. But it didn't do that. It did like one line compared to this. It did like one line, one candle. Clipping page. I don't talk about wicks. I really don't be focused on wicks at all. I know people do, but I don't really focus on wicks. It's closed candles for me. Like this candle right here, we have 2 hours left to really see what it's gonna do. The 1 hour is like acting like it's want to reject to the downside, so we're gonna go with that. But we have 14 minutes left on that candle, and then we have 2 hours left on this candle. But I'm overly done looking at the charts. I'm tired of looking at the charts. Why are you trolling people saying they won't get anywhere with a funded account? I don't know. It was just funny. People got mad about the whole fun. You know what? No, fuck that. No, I'm joking. But I don't know. It's just funny. Social media is social media. I already make a lot of people mad, so it's like, make more people mad. Gives you more views. But no, it was just a funny joke while me and my boy was in a boat. Matter of fact, I'll play this. Let me see. Talking about this video. Let's talk about this part. Oh, you guys can't even hear. Hold on. Why can't you hear? Let's see here.
With that funded account. You're not gonna get nowhere in life with that funded account. I ain't gonna lie, man. You're not gonna get nowhere in life with that funded account.
All right, so explain to them what just happened.
So,
bro, I lost the drone. I lost the drone inside of the fucking woods.
I lost the drone. Up.
Okay.
Go buy a new one.
Okay.
Just gonna buy a new one.
Okay.
We are just gonna buy a new one. I'm not stressing about it. Should I do more vlogs like this? I got another vlog coming, but I don't know. I don't know if it's worthy. It's a calm little vlog. It's nothing crazy. My beard, why did I chop it? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. He said, why fuck with the $100 activities? Wait. I'm dead. He said, why fuck with these $100 activities when you have millions? Bro, do you not know how much we spent in the club? What are you talking about? No more vlogs? Damn. He said no more. He said no more. I don't know, man. I'm gonna get the beard back. I ain't gonna lie. Put an air tag on a, no, I know exactly what a drone is at. It's just, it was in the like,
Up. And yeah, it's like lost.
it's like in the fucking, like, it's like in there, like in the woods. I'm dead though. Why do I live the way that I live? I don't know. I just like living this way. No, these chains are not from the mall, twin. Time for a baby sigh. Ooh, I love your vlogs. I look old. Yeah, I look hella old with a beard. I'm not gonna lie. What camera do I use to vlog? So I have this camera. This is the FX30. And then I actually don't know where my, hold up. I actually don't know where my other camera is at. Oh, it's in my gym bag. I use the FX3 to vlog now. But I'm gonna start coming back out with trading videos again. I just really been trying to remotivate myself to do YouTube for real, cause like this shit is like a whole job, bro. I'm trying to be like, right now I'm live streaming, but I overly should be in Houston right now. I wanted to take a trip to Houston to see this rodeo, but I'm like, nah, let me lock in and help these guys out and just talk to you guys. So I'm just here chilling. Maybe when you know what? I could probably do like a IRL stream. That's what I should do. IRL streams. Yeah, I'm 22. He said Bank of America update last time was 14 million. Yeah, I'm never showing my bank account again, though. That's not a smart idea. Some of the things that I used to do, I just can't do that again. Like the bank account part, can't be doing that. My taxes, I can't be doing that. bro, you spelled my name wrong. I look 40? Yeah, bro, I look 40.
It's not gonna be.
I look hella 40.
I know. Good for gold buys. I kind of set this.
You must have thought I was done. You must have thought I was done.
Can't lie, this trade is not looking good.
Yep.
How would you say you feel right now? Are you anxious?
No, I feel like it is what it is. Like, what can I do? But I feel like now because I started a challenge, I want to pass.
Order failed.
Can't lie, this trade is. How would you say you feel right now? I'm worried about this, but
Really taking one trade today.
It's like trading the bot, like throwing a knife in the air. Bro, this is like a 1-to-1.
Can't lie,
This is what
that's why you don't
scalping looks
close early,
like.
man. What's trading?
Oh no, I could never.
I'll also probably put her
I
TP
do look
up
40,
if we
bro.
win that.
The fight is on the 28th. The fight is on the 28th. There needs to be this is the reason why I'm bringing up vlogs though is because there's not enough trading vlogs. Like at all. There's not a lot of trading vlogs at all. Bro, this dude keeps popping up on my page. Like we just have a few, but nothing crazy.
It's sad. Some clips excuses how to trade. It's really choppy. I mean, there's obviously pineapple and like my actual highs.
We need more. And the reason why we need more, because I want you guys to see like trading is like I've been seeing her.
Y'all saw her push like that. So I've
on TikTok.
these zones probably gonna go look ups and take focus right at.
I could do that though. That shit got her 243,000 views. I could do that easily. I just be overthinking it, bro. I be overthinking the vlogs. Have I met Speed? No, I have not met Speed. People be gatekeeping. Mamba scammed you. Damn, that's crazy. I need an editor for real. That is also true. Maybe. I overthink my vlogs too much. That's the problem. Bro, you know how much shit I have recorded but y'all have never seen?
To talk and understands this throughout. Inspires me to be able to press up. Because, and yeah, honestly, used to feel in turn, you know, need to off myself. Oh, folks.
Like
Hopefully
this,
you
I
guys
could do, but I don't know. I don't know. Like this, I could do.
Hey, bro, look at this, though. Look how pretty. This is my freaking view from London, bro.
All right.
And
I'm gonna make a promise then. I'm gonna say this then. All right. Starting next week. No. Yeah. All right. Look, I'm gonna make a promise with you guys. All right. Because at the beginning of the year, I was gonna post a video every single day, but then I figured out how stressful that shit was. But it is possible to post every day, but I just have to build that consistency. I have to get like ahead of the game. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to record vlogs starting from the morning that I wake up. So in the morning when I wake up to the end of the day. Now, this is the only thing though. I don't do fancy shit every single day. But that's why I overthink it, because I'll be thinking like, you know, maybe they want to see like a little fancy shit. I don't do fancy shit every single day. I do it sometimes, most of the times, but not every single day. So this is what I'm gonna say. Cap. I don't do fancy shit every day. I don't. I will post it. I will just post raw vlogs of like the life every single day. Some days it's gonna be boring. Some days are not gonna be boring. The only thing I can say is if I do this, y'all have to fuck with the videos. It's when you want a video of me taking a shower, gang? I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of freaky. Oh, bro's freaky at 11 o'clock in the morning, bro. It's 11 o'clock at morning. His freaky at. Anyways, I can drop a video like that. He said, yes, sir, be raw. Hey, pause. No today. I'm overthinking it. I am overthinking it. I'm not gonna lie. Ah, freak yellow, dude. Ah. I'm trying, bro. I'm not a YouTuber, bro. I'm a day trader, bro. Alright, cool. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drop a vlog today. After this live stream, I'm gonna edit a video, drop a vlog today, and then from there, I stopped the tapes too. I know. I stopped a lot of things because, like, bro, I'm trying, bro. I just overthink it, bro. Alright, so from OnlyFans next? No. Alright, so from here, I'm just gonna post, bro. Fuck it. But y'all gotta fuck with it, bro. How many people we got in here? I'm over here sounding like a SoundCloud rapper back in 2016. Fuck with my music, bro. Just listen to my music, bro. Just listen to my music, twin. Fuck with me, twin. All right, what's today? Or no, how many people we got in here? All right, so we have 3,000 people in here. I just need y'all to fuck with the post, big bro. I just fuck with the post, big bro. Yo, no gambling. Freaky, yeah, dude. Video of me cracking. Oh, you want that though? I be drilling some shit. All right, let me calm down. Video vlog me cracking is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. All I gotta do is post. Give a little rant. What you want to rant about? You think vlogs is gonna ruin the trading side of it? I mean, but trading's not all I do. If that makes like, trading is not all I do. Like, I only spend like 15 minutes a day, probably, maybe, towards trading. Like, that's why I'm like, you guys want me to make trading videos, but I don't trade all day. And I've already taught y'all everything you need to know. I've already taught y'all everything you need to know. But you know what? Fuck it. From here on out, from fucking March 10th, I'm not going like, I'm just do it and see where it goes. Stressed about making vlogs? No, I'm not stressed. I'm stressed. Do a traveling vlog? I have a lot of traveling vlogs. I just never posted them yet. Make a rap song? Y'all want me to get in a stew? BTC flying? Ooh, it's going. It's going. Should I go back to trading BTC? I ain't gonna lie, that shit is mooning. Looks good, looks good. Let's see. I'll be jogging so people look at me weird. Some of y'all freaky as fuck. I'm finna get in a stew. I ain't got no bars, but I can start making them. The only bars I got is on the charts. Yo, I'm so dead. A little psychology rant. I don't know. I don't know. We want to see the hoes. I don't know if the hoes want to see my hoes though. Boxing stuff. I could do that too. Like I have some stuff in the vault. All right, matter of fact, I could show you what I have in the vault. Matter of fact, one sec. I'm gonna show you what I have in the vault. Hold on. Ooh, I fall apart. Oh, this Jerry, I fall. Ooh, I fall apart. I ain't gonna lie. Catch me in Colombia this weekend. I'm bored. Overly finna go somewhere. I have to go somewhere this weekend. The weekends be hella boring. I gotta do something this weekend. All right. So also, this is the camera that I vlog with now. I used to vlog with the Osmos, but I gave it to my friend. So I vlog with the FX3 now. This movie camera. Some calm shit. But all right, I'm gonna show y'all what I got so far, man. I ain't gonna lie. And tell me if it's vlog worthy, probably, maybe. Possibly. All right, I'm pretty sure. Psych, I thought I was gonna show you something. I thought I was gonna show you something. That shit overly did not work. Go to Gunna. How much I bought? How much I bought what? We see trades, not block. We want to see trades, not. I don't trade every day. I don't trade every day like you. Bruh, if I only made trading videos, you only getting 2 videos a month for real. You really only probably getting 3. That's the problem here. That's the problem. I don't trade all the time, so you're only gonna get 3 trading videos a month out of me, maybe 2. I don't trade every day. See, if I was a fucking scalper, then it would be a different story, but I don't trade every day. You'll get a video out of me every single day if I day trade it. But I don't day trade, I swing trade. What are you not understanding? You could do both. I don't want to do both. Oh, he's talking about trading videos. Do some drugs. I'm dead. I don't want to trade every day. There's nothing to post. All right. Let's see here. A little advice about psychology. We can do a little psychology. Wait a second. Why is this folder empty? Pause. I'm trying to see if I could. Okay, never mind it. I guess I'll have to do it on my MacBook one day or next time I stream. But I got some stuff in the vault. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna just release it. And hey man, y'all be the judge of that. Tell us day 1 to 15 just at 1 now. Huh? Do I think it's gonna crash soon? What's gonna crash? No, I don't think anything's gonna crash soon. Show us some boxing moves. No more face stats. I don't have any more face stats. Why is it a fidget spinner on the couch? My boy was over here playing with a fidget spinner last night. It was a crazy night last night, I'm not gonna lie. I don't sleep. That's the only reason why I go out, to be honest. I only go outside because I don't sleep. I'd be bored at 2 o'clock in the morning. Like literally my daily, how I want my daily routine to be. I want to wake up. I want to try to wake up at 7 a.m. and go for my mile run. I really finish my mile under 20 minutes. Finish that, come back, and get ready to stream. Stream for you guys from 8 to 10. That's what I really want to do, like 9 to like 11. So stream from 9 to 11. Once I do that, I want to go to boxing training. Once I go to boxing training, I could pretty much, I'm free after that and do whatever. That's what I want my routine to be. So right now I'm just working on the boxing training part and the streaming part. And I need to wake up early. So that means I need to go to sleep at 12 possibly. That's what I'm working on. And I've stopped eating a lot of fast food and a lot of like junk, and I'm trying to eat more healthy. So I'm trying to I really just want to eat like steak and rice. I don't know, but then again, I want to lose weight too, because I'm 180 right now, but for the fight I have to be 195, and then after the fight I'm gonna go back to 160, and I'm pretty toned right now. 20-minute mile? No, like no. I don't do 1 mile in 20 minutes. I do 2 miles and it takes me 20 minutes. As a boxer, you need to be running 5 to 7 miles a day. Well, we're not there yet. I'm getting there. I'm trying to get there. Right now, I could do 2 miles. And my pace is like 15 minutes. Or it's like 7 minutes. Or it's like, let me see. Let's see here. The last time I ran 1 mile took me 7 minutes and 38 seconds. Yeah, 7 minutes, 34 seconds, 7 minutes, 31 seconds. Yeah, so it takes me about 7 minutes and 30 seconds to run a mile. I only run 2 miles every single day. Five miles is insane, but a lot of people do that. Why do I only withdraw 1 million at a time? I don't know. I don't know. I just happen to not need as much money all the time. I don't spend a lot of money, so I don't need to withdraw a lot of money either. Probably like every other month, I'll probably withdraw like 1.5 or 500K, but I don't need much money. How tall am I? I'm 5'8". Tell us day 1 to day 15 just at 1 now. I don't know what you mean by that. You keep repeating that. I don't know what you mean by that. I look like a rapper. 4 hour and 1 hour is the best trading combo. It is actually. The 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame is pretty much all you need. I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna look pretty good for the next couple of days, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Algeria boy. Ooh, Apollo boy. Everything's still looking good, still looking calm. Still want to target that all-time high, but if anything, we could even take out here. Does anybody tell me I look like Spencer James? Yeah, I hear that all the time. Spencer James, when I had dreads, Little Uzi, I get all types of shit. He said, so you just get all your money from YouTube videos and don't tell us the real details of trading. You think I don't tell you the real things of trading? That's crazy. Psychologies on swing trading. In what aspect? Haters gonna hate. Dead ass. Do I regret my face tats? Just the middle one. Psychology for swing trading. I mean, there's nothing like. I feel like you have to like. For one, the higher time frame is gonna help you a lot more when it comes to trading in general, especially when it comes to swing trading, because you're not stressed out about every single candle. Every candle doesn't stress you out. But feels like everyone wants to be TJR. Yeah, I've seen that. But swing trading, you shouldn't really stress out because the higher time frame doesn't just break random structures. So that should clear away, like, it should give you a boost of confidence in most of your trades. But 9 times out of 10, like, whatever you're thinking in your head is probably not going to happen. But oh, somebody just sent me something. But we are TJR. No, we're not. Yo, can we stop talking about another person? Yo, why do y'all like doing that? Sorry. I'm sorry I'm getting off track. But when it comes to swing trading, it's nothing different from just a regular day trade because you're pretty much looking for the same setup, looking for the same market structure and price action. The only thing that's different is how long you're holding it. And the only reason why it bothers people when they're holding some swing trades is because they see the money that they're up or they see the money that they're down. And it's really just a waiting game. Like you just have to be chill. Like I think it's more like swing trading is more for chill people. Like if you're like, I can be like mixed though. Cause like I can be chill one moment and then I can be very spontaneous another moment. But I understand that the longer that I wait, the more money I can milk out of the market. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's greed, but it just means that that I'm comfortable with waiting and I'm comfortable with whatever happens. Like if I lose, I'm cool. If I win, I'm cool. And then I try not to take everything so seriously. Like I think a lot of people take it all seriously. Like if you lose, cool. Take like get ready for your next trade. If you win, get ready for your next trade. And I just really don't like being on the charts that much. I really don't like being on the charts that much. So swing trading for me helps me stay off the charts. So my main focus is to stay off the charts, but I need to be able to, like, in order for me to walk away, I have to trust my analysis enough to even walk away from the charts. Working on becoming a better loser. I don't think you're supposed to work on becoming a better loser. I think you should just like be okay with losing. Which doesn't mean that you're trying to be a loser. You just like okay, you're numb to it, basically. Risk my last $100. Oh no. See, that's what I'm talking about. Risk my last $100. How do I feel about the insider trading allegations? I don't know, man. I got a lot of allegations against me. I can't keep up with all of them. I don't have an upside down cross on my forehead. Why don't I move my stop loss so it's a winning trade? It's already a winning trade, and price is not just going to dump all the way back down to my stop loss. Okay, I'm seeing the same comments. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm overly finna get off of here, and I'm finna go enjoy some life. I'm finna go enjoy some life. I ain't gonna lie though, I wish the best for everybody, because it is definitely one thing. Because I haven't worked in like 5 years. Like, I haven't clocked in like 5 years. And every single day I wake up, I'm trying to figure out, what the hell am I finna do next? What am I doing today? And I think that's the best feeling in the world. Being able to wake up and being like, yo, what am I doing today? What am I gonna do today? Because right now, I don't know what I'm finna do today. But by the end of the day, I might not even be in the country. I might be somewhere else. Or I don't know. He said, you didn't even do anything this long. Bro, I've been talking the whole time about charts and all types of shit. There's literally nothing going on. The only thing going on, I think he just rage baited me. No, he didn't rage bait me. The only thing going on is prices slowly going up, but I'm not sitting here for 3 hours, bro. I started this live 2 hours ago. Shh. I'm stressed already. I don't know how y'all do this. I don't know how y'all do this all day. Like, I used to probably do this when I was beginning, but then I stopped. Bro, my head hurts. There's nothing going on. Like, I'm just watching this little candle go up. Matter of fact, you know what will make it way better? Yeah, this is what y'all want to see. This is what y'all want to see. Matter of fact, hold on. I got to do it right. I got to do it right. Yeah, this is what y'all want to see, boy. This is the type of trading y'all guys want to see. This is exactly what you guys want right here. Oh my God. It's pumping. It's pumping. Yeah, this is what you guys want to see. My fault. Oh my God. It's actually selling off. How they be? It'd be like, hold on. Oh my God, it's pumping. Oh my God, it's going up. Oh my God, it's pumping. It's pumping. Oh no, it's going back down. It's going back down. Oh my God, should we pull out? Chat. Yo, chat, should we pull out? Should we get our trades? It went down like 2 pips. Should we get out? I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of stressed, bro. I don't want to lose this funded account. Oh my God, it's dropping. Oh, red candle. Oh my God, it's pumping again. Wait. Oh my God, it's going down. Oh my God. Oh, sell everything. Just sell everything. Just sell everything right now. Oh my God, this is bad. Oh my God, we're losing the funded. Oh my God. I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna lose our funded account right now. Oh my God. 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 Yo, chat. I think we're finna lose. I'm not gonna lie, I think we're finna lose. Oh my God. Yo, I think we gotta go live back in our parents' crib. I don't know how we're gonna recover from this. How can one ever recover from this? Oh my God. Yo, chat. Wait, it's rejecting. Do we revenge trade? Wait, do we get back in another trade? Wait a minute. Do we place another trade? And then you place another trade and that shit goes all the way down. Yeah, bro, that's what you guys want to see. That's what they want to see. I don't trade like that. So my trading is going to be boring. When you're watching me, you guys want to watch me trade? My trading's boring. It's super boring. I trade probably 3 or 4 times a month and it's boring. So, yeah. I'm jumping out. I'm dead. Yeah, man, it's a crazy world over here on this 1 minute time frame. You just want to learn? You can't hear me? I just sold everything. Facts. It's pumping back up again. I think we should get right back into the same trade. Oh my God. Yo, chat. It's actually going to go to the fucking moon. Yo, chat, do we buy at the top? That's how they be trading. That's how they be teaching you how to trade. Matter of fact, I ain't even do it right. Matter of fact, I ain't even do it right. This is how they be doing it. All right, guys. So look, this is our... Oh, no, we can't use that. All right, hold on. All right, so this is our 1 minute order block. We're going to wait for this to tap into here. Once it taps into here, we're going to come here and we're going to target this. We're going to go for a 1-to-1 and we're going to look for something. And yeah, once it taps into this order block, you're just going to see it bounce and just go all the way up to our TP, smack TP. So if we risk 50,000 now, we could make another 50 or we could lose it and just lose it all. So let's see how this goes. Like, let's just see how this goes. Should I make the stop loss smaller? Because this is going to be our TP1. This is going to be our TP2. This is going to be our TP3. And then this is going to be our TP4. And then just in case our TP4 gets hit, we got TP5. You know what I'm saying? Like, we just make sure all TPs are getting smacked because we're just like that, you know? Like, we're just like that. So let's see if it taps into our order block and like, let's see what happens from here. You know what I'm saying? Like, we full margin everything because we have no time to waste. Like, time is very limited. All right, cool. It's getting ready to tap into our order block right now. So let's see like how everything goes. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. It's tapping us and it's almost tapping us into our entry. It's looking real good. It's looking real good. Tap that, tap that, tap that. Go ahead, tap that, tap that, tap that. Yep. Come on, no, go back, tap that, go back and tap that. All right, so we're still waiting for it to tap that, you know what I'm saying? All right, go ahead, tap that. Go back and tap it. No. It's going the wrong way. All right, go ahead, tap that. Yep. Oh my God, bruh. Tap that. Come on. Lock us in, twin. Lock us in. Just lock us in. I ain't gonna lie, guys. This order block right here, this shit got us right. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, no, yo, no, it's going the wrong way. No, it's going the right way, but we're not in. Wait, are we in? I don't know how to. Wait. No, go back. Tap that. No, go back and tap that. Pause. We gotta go back and tap that. Nah. Is that the method? Yo, chat. Is that the method? Is this the method? I'm making a video today. 1 minute strategy can make you $50,000 in 15 minutes. Perfect. Thumbnail. $15,000 thumbnail right over me. Oh yeah, we're going back. Tap that. Oh yeah, we're going back to tap that. We're going back to tap that. We're going back to tap that, bro. Yep. This is how you guys want me to trade? I got you. You want me to trade like this? This is what you want to see? This is what you want to see? Tap that. This is what they want to see, bro. Oh my God, it just won't hit. All right. Maybe I move my entry up and break my rules and plan. Oh, wrong one. All right. We need this. We're gonna put the stop loss here. Yep. We're gonna get our 1 to 4 now. This is our 1 to 4. This is how they want me to trade. All right, so like I said, chat, to explain this trade, you know, all we're doing is waiting for our 1 minute order block to get smacked. It's gonna grab liquidity on the 5 minute time frame and go back for that fair value gap at the top. Take out some buy side liquidity and go back to the ORB. So let's see how this goes, man. We got 1 minute left, 1 second left on this this candle right here. We got a little rejection. Okay, a little support being created on our order block. Okay, we're looking good. We're gonna get right into our entry. Okay, we're in. Okay, now we're in. Okay, get a little rejection. Okay, this is looking real good. We're up $10 right now. Yep. Oh yeah. I can't forget about the Fibonacci. I gotta make sure this doesn't retrace back. Let me just go ahead and pull out this Fibonacci because that's gonna be our bread and butter right here. All right, so we're gonna have where's the Fibonacci? All right, so we're gonna pull it from right here to right, or how do they use it? How the fuck you use this shit? All right, so we got like right here to right here or something. I don't know how the fuck they use this shit. Oh, it might be the method. Oh yeah, I'm making a video today. Yep, you just seen it live time. I'm making a video today. Yep. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a video today and I'm selling my course for $10,000. Very exclusive. Yep. It's gonna be $10,000. Yep. I just need 20 people to sign up. I'm good. I'm set for life. Yep. Selling my course for $10,000. I just need 20 dumbasses. Yep. I need 20 dumbasses. That's 200K. I'm gonna go buy me a Lamborghini. And now I'm selling it for, I'm gonna get like another 200 dumbasses. Yep, that's the method. I ain't gonna lie, that's the method. That's for sure the method, bro. I understand it now. It makes so much sense. I understand it now. I understand it. Yo, I understand it. 10K course, 20 people to fall for it. That's 200K. Get a little Huracan, move to Miami, and then you're probably gonna get. So if you're selling it for 10K, now you're gonna get a following off of it, and then shit. That's like let's say 200 more people sign. That's the method. Oh shit, this shit is actually going up. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Yo, I'm selling the course today. Oh yeah, I'm selling the course. Oh yeah, you niggas are cooked. You guys are seeing me in Miami next week. Yep, I'm moving to Miami. I'm getting a Lamborghini. It's over with. You guys are cooked. Bro, you guys are cooked. I'm telling you right now, I just need 20 dumbasses. Buy my course, bro. You see it. You see the method. You see the method, bro. You see the method. You see the method, bro. TP1 finna hit. We got TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah, this is the method. Don't worry about a little drawdown. We need red candles. Woo! I ain't gonna lie. Woo! Oh yeah, that's Timothy Jones, bruh. I ain't gonna lie. I understand it now. Trade the 1 minute, get lucky on a trade, sell a course on the trade that you got lucky on. Oh my God, that is the method. Yo, this is the method. Yo, I understand it now. This is how they lived. Like, this is how they be like this, bro. I understand it now. I understand it. Wow. I understand it, bro. Wow, bro. It's over with. You guys are cooked. Wow. It makes so much sense. I ain't gonna lie. Why the fuck did that shit just work? Wow. Wow, I understand. I just can't miss. I can't even lose at this point. Bruh. TP2 finna hit. TP2 hit. TP2 hit. It hit, nigga. Oh my God. Why we like that? We just can't lose. We just can't lose. TP2 hit. Course in the bio, nigga. Course in the bio. Link in the course. I meant link in the bio. Oh yeah, TP2 hit. Oh yeah, I'm done. You niggas are cooked. Oh yeah, you finna catch me in Miami with the Lamborghini next week. Matter of fact, I'm finna request my payout today. On what's the brokerages called? Fucking what's that, funded trader or some shit? Or what do everybody be using? Top Step. Yeah, I just passed my Top Step account right now. Oh yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Link in the course. You niggas are cooked. You niggas are cooked. Oh yeah, I'm selling the course. 1 minute time frame entries. Yep, I'm switching to order blocks. What the fuck have I been doing this whole time? I've been tweaking. I'm overly trading a 1 minute time frame now. I got the method. I understand it now. I understand it. It's clocking to me. It's really clocking to me. Yo, chat, it's clocking to me, bro. I understand it. It's clocking to me. Now I'm standing on business. It's clocking to me. I understand it. Wow. Wow. TV3 finna hit. Wow. I ain't gonna lie. Chat. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, twin. Nah. TP2 hit, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. I understand it, bro. Oh, I understand it, bro. Oh yeah, I'm trading, bro. I'm trading a 1 minute time frame from now on. Yep. I'm changing my ways, bro. Y'all see that course in my bio, man? It's over with. I sold my soul at that point. Selling my soul to the Miami lifestyle, man. I just need a Huracan and a Miami apartment. Not a penthouse, a Miami apartment, 2-bedroom, 1-bedroom apartment. I'm set. Yup. They didn't believe in me. Now I had to switch up. I ain't gonna lie. Why is that shit dropping so hard? Yep. TP or nothing. Facts. Facts. So facts. Yo, I'm dead. Sell everything. Yep. I'm selling everything. What that dude Trade said, he said I'd be selling my ass. Yep. I understand it now. No. I just found out the method, bro. Wow. At this very moment, this is when trading all clicked for me. Yep. Put me on a podcast. Yep. On the podcast, I'm gonna be like, yeah, just one day, like, I don't know, like an epiphany hit me. And I was like, I understand it. Like, it all makes sense. All I had to do was find the fair value gap on the 1 minute time frame, match it up with the order block. And yeah, I was just gonna hit TP every time. I can't miss. So then I bought one funded account, tagged it along to 20 other funded accounts, started copying and trading all the accounts. And I was at that time getting multiple payouts, bringing in racks. I understand it now. I understand it now. All I had to do was switch to that 1 minute time frame, and I had so much. What do you say? I switched to the 1 minute time frame. I switched to the 1 minute time frame, and now I have so much clarity. I have clarity now. It's all clear. I have a bunch of clarity now. He said, I'm taking notes. Write that down, write that down. Write that down, write that down. Clarity. Yep, that's our new word. We just need clarity. Just clarity, bro. That's all it was clarity. I ain't gonna lie. Chat. It's the method, bro. Oh, it's the method, bro. I understand it now. And then we closed this whole trade. We got a, what did we get? We got a 1 to 3. That's good in my books. Good in my books. Lower high. Oh yeah, we out. 10K course for clarity. Facts. Now y'all understanding it now. Clarity, bro. Y'all finna catch that course. Y'all want mentorship? I got you, twin. One-on-one mentorship, $10,000. I'm gonna teach you how to trade this 1 minute time frame like a boss. 100% win rate. I got you. It's guaranteed. if you get the course right now in the first 15 minutes, I'll give you a 1% discount right now. I'll give you 1% off. The course is only 10K, so 1% is really a good deal if you type in the code. If you type in the code 1 minute, type in the code 1 minute. I got you, twin. I got you. I got you, bro. Come on, fuck with me, twin. Yep. Never trust the higher time frame. Why would you ever trade the higher time frame when you can trade 1 minute? You could trade in 1 minute. Facts, bro. Why would you ever want to trade the higher time frame? All right, for the people that are newly joining, I am definitely just joking. This is not how I trade. This is not a trade that I'm in. Like this trade here is not that I'm in. All this is just jokes. All this is just jokes for the people that are just joining. Anyways. Yo. Yep, fuck it. Yep, I see a support. We getting back in again. Yep, this is how it's gonna be. Scalp for life. Yep, I'm scalping for life. Oh yeah, this is the method. This is the method, bro. This is the method. I understand it now. I have so much clarity. So much clarity. It just makes so much sense. I understand it. I don't know what I've been doing for the past 5 years, bro. Like, I really should get that Miami 1-bedroom apartment right now, bro. Like, and just lurk my ass off. I understand it. Oh yeah, I'm taking a picture of this. I'm taking a picture of this like I'm Timothy Jones. I'm finna start selling my Discord right now. You thought this was free? $20. Matter of fact, $100 to get in. You want a Discord? I got you. $100. You want some signals? $300 a month. Yep. I'm just going straight. Matter of fact, we only trading out the 1 minute. At this very moment, trades by side only trades on the 1 minute time frame. Yep. I came to this conclusion. Yep. Yep. We came to that conclusion. Yep. That's it. But no, for real. For the people that just joined, still in these gold buys. Still in these gold buys. Everything is looking good. I had this line here from like 2 weeks ago where price broke above this level, gave some indications to the upside, new high, and then we had that correction, a bunch of consolidation. But now we're back above that level. So we should be seeing the same momentum. We should still see the same momentum that we've seen here happen here again. So right now I'm targeting like up here, but all-time highs is my main target. So right now we're targeting here first, and then we'll target all-time highs. But everything looks really, really good. Price is probably going to continue to be bullish. But what I said earlier in the live, if you go back and rewind, is I wanted price to push up a bit more like it's doing right now, come back down later on out of session, and then give us that higher low so that we have something sustainable. Because right now, all we have is this support, but price can easily just come back down and break this support because there's nothing claiming that it's not going to go any lower. All we have is buyers pushing up price, but there's no sellers fighting against it. So we need sellers fighting against it, fight against it. That's what's going to cause this higher low to be made. Once this higher low is to be made, then buyers will find again when to push it back up again, and then we'll have that higher low, which is really good. You want a higher low. Once you have that higher low, you feel more safe and more secure of your trade because of that higher low. On the higher time frame, price is never going to break structure without like, it's not just going to break structure just because. I prefer 100 ticks. I'm freaking hilarious. Moment of silence for the people that took that trade. Facts. They're up crazy, bro. You're welcome. How much am I up right now? She. She. So I 3.4, and then my main account 13. You don't understand time frames. People are so sick. They'll be okay. Can you show the indication? You want me to show you an indication? Did I ever re-enter my positions? No, I haven't. I haven't touched my trades at all. I haven't touched my, what is that? Yeah, my 155 positions, I haven't touched at all. When price dropped, so like this 155 point that he's talking about, like right here. When it dropped, I didn't close my trade. I was really hanging on to this to hold up, to be honest. And on the daily time frame, you can see that price made a level here. So we had this move up, this move down, and I was thinking that this whole like shenanigan right here was just to make a higher low. So I kept holding. If price would have closed under 5,000, I would have definitely closed, but I just didn't. So then price made this higher low, and now we're probably making this higher high, which is definitely going to be good. Once we get this higher high, or really we got this higher low, so we should be straight, and we should be really confident in buys right now. I just really want to see that higher low for the 4 hour. Like this right here, I really want to see a higher low for the 4 hour, and then a push back up. So I guess you could say a correction, indication correction. Because price did break above this level, but that would be really nice to see. Do I have moved stop losses during trades? No, I don't. All right, I really want to go run. I'm not gonna lie. I want to go run before training, so there's nothing going on except for the prices trending up. Where's my stop loss? Stop loss is still in the same spot. You see the swap is eating the stream account every single day. The swap is literally eating. Maybe I should close like a trade so I can secure profits, but at the same time, it's not really doing anything. It's just the swap is OD. Like every day it's like 10K, 10K. Matter of fact, no, it might be more. It might be like 20K in swap fees. I'm just like, bruh. Every single day. Why didn't you close when the sell-off happened? Because I had a stop loss there. So, like, where was your stop when you're in drawdown? Can I show you on the actual chart? What do you mean by that? Can you show us on the actual chart? Like wait, what are we asking for? If you look at the 4 hour, this is where I got trapped. It made consecutive lower highs, 3 of them back to back. How do you not consider bearish price action? What do you see? You talking about this right here? Are you talking about lower high, lower high, lower high, and then the high that broke? That's definitely price breaking above a lower high, which is right here, which is an indication of bullishness. So then your level would have been like this, and then you would have been trading back above this level, which is where I traded. I traded the indication, but only because I thought price was just going to push off of this and then break above here and then later give us that correction. I thought price was going to do this, break and then give us that, but instead it went lower, which is cool. But I wasn't stressed because this, so look, we have this low, right? Let's just say we didn't have this. The reason why I didn't close my trade is because we already had a bullish indication. Price ended up correcting. That was my fault for even entering on the indication of this anyways, but it's cool. Like I honestly thought it was going to push that day because it was pushing strong. So I just jumped the gun. Cool. Price opens up Sunday, falls. Now, this right here could have been way worse, but this whole daily time frame was looking like it was going to be a higher low anyways because we already made an indication. So there was only so far that price was going to go. So then I just used like the end of this. I used the end of this to kind of see if the trade was going to like just test a wick or something, or what was it, whatever it was going to do. And it didn't even go far. It sold off, started rejecting. Once it started rejecting, God, oh yeah, hell no. Once it started rejecting, I kind of felt comfortable. Like I don't get scared like a lot of people. Like I don't get scared. Like trading doesn't scare me. Like I don't get scared about certain things. I just was patient. And I already knew what I was going to risk, so it wasn't like I was scared about losing money. Like I'm never scared about losing money. If I lost my whole account, I'll just be like, okay, it is what it is. I'll be kind of hurt, but it'll be like, me being mad or me being upset isn't going to change, anything, right? It's never going to change anything. Just because you get mad about something or you're upset about something or you're overthinking something doesn't mean the chart's going to think a certain way. That's why I don't like being on the charts for long, because every time I'm on the charts for long, I just feel like I'm overthinking at that point. Like I'm on the charts just literally over over here, just like looking at it like, what is it going to do next? What is it going to do next? Can you show the last indication? This is the last indication that we had. And then what we're currently going through is an indication too as well above this level. When do you think gold's entry last time was like earlier this morning or last night at like 8 p.m. when price is coming back above this high? Right now, there's no entry for gold. Except for that 1 minute sniper we hit. Why do I not trade forex pairs? I just like only trading gold. Gold makes me a lot of money, so I only want to trade gold. I only want to trade what makes me a lot of money. Like, gold is the easiest thing to trade, in my opinion. So I prefer not trading anything. I just feel like gold is really, really easy. Higher time frame, if you stay on the higher time frame on gold, it just literally goes one direction. Look at this. All this is one direction, just going up, up, up. Consolidation, cool, up, up. Consolidation, up, up. Might have to make a correction now. Yeah, that would be cool with me. Even here, during this time, December, up, 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 up. Like, I just really only like trading gold because it only does one thing. Go in one direction. When it trends, it just goes in one direction. Why would I ever want to trade anything else? If this is the thing where if I get into a trade, it only goes one direction. Whenever it sold, one direction. Sold, 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 sold. And then it finally stopped. When it bought up, one direction. All that's money. Like, why would I ever want to trade anything else? Why? I would never want to trade anything else if this is the most money you can make. Like, the easiest money you can make. All you got to do is just look at the higher time frame and be patient. You obviously see the money's there, so it's like you, all this is money, 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 money. You could have gotten uptrend, you could have been on. Downtrend, you could have been on. Uptrend that you could have been on. This is August, October. All this calm little probably day trades. Cool, 1 hour time frame. Downtrend, downtrend. This probably would have been a tricky little season. Cool. From May all the way to August. And that's when I was trading. Yeah, that was when I was trading. So that was like fairly easy because I was trading in June. I was trading in June coming into those August. And I was trading off the 1 hour time frame. That's why y'all see on my videos, I was trading off that 1 hour time frame. And then here, August, boom, September, October. And this is when y'all was seeing me catch all those trades last year. Look at this. This is how I was catching all the trades. Why not trade something that looks like this? Why would I ever trade something that looks like this? Like, this is not the same. Well, this part was, but it hasn't been this way in a while. Look, August, when we got right around here trading gold, price ended up at October, price ended up doing all this. November, December, all this. January, February, all this. Now we're going on to March and it's still consolidating. I would rather trade gold. All right, now it's overly time for me to go. All right, guys. It was good talking to you guys. Chatting with you guys. Sitting here for 4 hours. Yeah. I'll see you next time. I'll see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I'll see you